All right, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how and why a video with 1,000 views can make 10 times the amount of money than a video with 100,000 views if you're doing this one thing. And why is that so valuable? Well, if you are trying to start a video business or you're a videographer and you can generate leads for your clients, those clients are going to pay you a lot of money to work with them. And in the age of AI in 2025, when videos are going to be basically be able to be made with a click of a button and it'll be higher quality than you can shoot on your Canon or Sony camera, the only way to stand out is to create high quality content that drives business to your clients. My name is Jason. I own a video agency, JLS Video, and I did this for myself. I had a video that got a couple thousand views from some ads that I ran, but I attracted over $50,000 of business just from this one single video. And I'm going to talk about why it's so much more valuable to plan for conversions and plan for sales rather than plan for views and vanity metrics. Because for the longest time, I felt frustrated posting content in the ether. And even when I did really well and got a lot of views, I wouldn't get any sales or conversion from it. So I'm going to break it down now. All right, let's address the elephant in the room, which is the room and the lighting and the camera. Why am I doing this? I'm a video business owner. Why does it look like crap? I'm just trying to prove a point, guys. Quality does not matter. If the content of the video is going to resonate with your target demographic, then that's what you have to put an emphasis on. So I'm just proving a point by saying I've created videos for clients that have worse quality than this and have made them money. So as a video business owner, you have to stop thinking like a videographer. The point is not to execute high quality from a technical end, it's to execute high quality from a business. And I know for me, when I started doing that, it kind of was scary because I've been taught XYZ things in film school, like not to have your overhead lights on, but it's dark outside and I don't want to set up a light. And what's more important is what I'm about to tell you of how I grew my business and how you can do it too. So again, if this is working for you, if this storytelling is working for you, then I bet it can work for your business and your clients to provide them with great results. So what is a high quality video? What does that look like? How can you start producing them? It's pretty simple. A high quality video is not a video that's going to go viral for your clients. It's not going to get them hundreds of thousands of views, but it's going to talk to the exact right people so that when they watch that video, they're more likely to go in your funnel that you have, whatever sales funnel you have, whether you're directing them to book a call with you or buy a course or buy a digital product, they're more likely to go down that funnel and convert. So if the top of the funnel, if you have really great videos that are getting you hundreds of thousands of views, but you're attracting the wrong type of person, they're not going to make it through that funnel. Let me break this down in a story format. I have a client who his Instagram page was built off the fact that he went viral when he was on The Bachelorette. And he's a good looking guy, but he's like a meditation coach. And so when he was on that show overnight, he got like 500,000 followers and all of his videos started getting hundreds of thousands of views, but his sales didn't increase. So the amount of bookings he was getting didn't go up because the people following him were just interested in looking at an attractive guy. So that's why attention is not actually the biggest commodity to be chasing in 2025. Rather, it's finding your ideal clients and then putting them through that ecosystem and targeting them down. Because if he had hundreds of thousands of views at the top of the funnel, but no one was converting, what's the point of those views? Well, let's say he was making more educational content on his page and blew up because he got featured on some local news show about meditation. And let's say he got 10,000 followers overnight, but all of them watched that one clip. Their awareness and their knowledge of him is such that they're more likely to convert and they're more likely to go down to that bottom of that funnel and book a call with him to work with him as a coach. So he'll more likely get 100 clients out of those 10,000, whereas the 100,000, he'll get maybe 1 or 5 booked calls because just like random odds and random luck. So that's why it's really important. Top of funnel content is designed to grab the correct person's attention and then funnel them down to work with you or to work with your clients. So, I mean, how do you do that? How do you create great quality videos that speak directly to your clients? Honestly, I feel like it's pretty simple. You just need to think about their pain points. So in this video, my pain points of my client demographic were they don't know how to get great results for their clients because they're too hung up on the quality of the video. So I opened with a hook that addressed their pain point, and now I'm delivering a piece of value that's going to address your pain point by solving a problem that you might be having right now, by giving you a strategy and a blueprint that you can bring to your business and to your clients' businesses to get both you and your clients better results. If you want to learn more about funnels and marketing and ads and all that stuff and how to push top of funnel content out there, check out the rest of my videos on my page. But for today, I'm just going to be talking about the overall strategy and blueprint that goes into creating those videos. So I recently created a video like this that I'm describing for my clients, Dr. Christian Gonzalez. He is one of my podcast clients. You can check out here. My editor is going to show a clip of the video that just went viral, we got 6 million views. And look, it's great. We got 6 million views, a lot of volume. But what I'm more concerned about and what I'm more interested in is the back end of the conversion of how many people that watch that clip on Instagram are then going into the podcast to engage with the long form content. The long form content is really what's converting these people from just listeners and interested and aware of him and aware of knowing who he is into somebody who's going to book a call with his program to get to buy his course. At the end of the day, a video business owner, what we're trying to do is bring results and money to our clients. We're not just trying to create pretty videos. So for example, I created a video recently for one of my clients, Dr. Christian Gonzalez. You can see the clip here. It's got almost 6 million views right now. It might be more in the future. It's January 4th. But what I'm concerned about more so than this pretty video and getting a lot of views is the back-end conversions of what this means for his business. The bottom line, as a video business owner and not a videographer, you really are more focused on driving results, bringing income to our clients, because that brings income to us. If we can, it's as simple as that. If you can make money for people who have money, they will pay you money. Like I used to be so hung up on creating a pretty video and like saying this is the great looking piece of content. At the end of the day, that's not what people are after. Nowadays with AI, you can make a pretty looking video with pressing a few buttons. So how do you separate yourself? Well, you drive revenue and drive results for those clients. So this clip, it did really well. It's got 6 million views, but I'm more interested in the back end conversions of it because people who then click on the link to listen to his podcast are more likely to engage with him in a long format. And those people are more likely to sign up for his course. So that's what I'm always looking at. I'm not looking at the vanity metrics of views. I'm looking at the back end of conversions. My name is Jason. I own JLS Video Agency, a video production company here in Los Angeles. I have a team of full-time video editors and producers and contractors working for me around the clock to deliver videos to my clients every single week. And I have clients that I have on retainer that are paying me every single month to deliver high quality videos for them. And it's not because they look and sound good. Of course they do. But what's more important is that they drive conversions and they drive business results to those clients.